I have been in contact this morning with Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern to express the UK's deepest condolences at the horrifying terrorist attack that took place at 2 mosques in Christchurch. To target Muslims as they were attending their place of worship is despicable, and our thoughts and prayers are with the people of New Zealand, with the families and friends of those who have died in these attacks, and with all those who have been injured. The UK stands ready to support New Zealand however we can. Through terror attacks that have taken place on UK soil, we know only too well the pain that such horrifying attacks can cause. As New Zealand has stood by us, so we stand shoulder to shoulder with them, and with Muslims in New Zealand, here in the UK, and around the world. There can be no place in our societies for the vile ideology that drives and incites hatred and fear. Together, we will defeat those who seek to destroy our values, our way of life, and seek to divide us.